Filing a consumer complaint in India is a straightforward yet crucial process to protect your rights against unfair trade practices, defective goods, or deficient services. Under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019, every consumer has the right to seek redressal through the appropriate Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The first step is to draft a well-structured complaint mentioning your details, the opposite party's details, the facts of the case, and the relief sought. Supporting documents such as invoices, receipts, warranties, and communication records should be attached as evidence. The complaint must be filed in the appropriate consumer forum, the District Commission for claims up to 50 lakhs rupees, the State Commission for claims between 50 lakhs rupees and 2 crores rupees, and the National Commission for claims exceeding 2 crores rupees. A prescribed court fee must be paid, and the complaint can be filed either physically or online through edakil.nic.in. Once the complaint is accepted, the court issues a notice to the opposite party, allowing both sides to present their arguments and evidence. After hearings, the Commission delivers its judgment, and if the decision favors the consumer, the company or seller must comply within the given time. If unsatisfied, appeals can be made to a higher forum. Filing a consumer complaint is a powerful tool to hold companies accountable and ensure fair business practices. If you have been wronged as a consumer, do not hesitate, take legal action and fight for your rights.